mga pangalan para din matawag natin dito sa unahan. Yes po! Anong pangalan? Ano pong pangalan? Jeren?
Jeren! Ay, Jeren!
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 Ayan, sige. Dahil wala pa kayo mga request song, sige, pagpakatahin muna natin yung mga singers natin na present ngayong gabi. Diba?
Si Jeren. Si Jeren yung galing na siya dito kanina. Si Jeren. Kasama niya si Nakidlat, si Nakulong.
Oo. Ayan, siya muna.
Alright!
Mga madulas. Alright, so here we go, Summer. First, Summer. Let's give it up for Jeren.
Hi, baby girl. Sa darap naman ako ng mic. Yes.
Sino kapatid ni Jeren?
Tama ba kami? Jeren ang iyong pangalan. Jeren? Jeren. Is Jeren in Manila? Bati ka muna sa iyong mga supporters out there. Sabihin mo, Mami, Mami, I'm here on the stage.
Yes.
Happy birthday po, Mami Ruby.
Thank
you! At dahil dyan, kakanta ka. Oo, kasi... Oy! Broken hearted ka na agad. Napakabata mo.
Uy, hindi. Baka paborito lang niya yung kanta.
Ay.
Ito naman si Jeren in Manila. Ilan taon ka na, Jeren? 10?
Oo, at 10 years. At the age of 10.
Yes.
Wala mo, ha?
Yung agad mahirap, yung...
Nakakaiyak daw. Oh, nakakaiyak na yung kanta, pero dapat yung mas nakakaiyak pa yung paano siya.
Sunod ka ha, ikaw na ang katabi nito.
Yan, muto ang birthday celebration.
Palakpakan ka naman para kay Jeren. Bulak sa arm. Naglalagay ng color sa aking mukha para di nila malaman at tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay iwan. Inesing pa ang mga ngiti bawat halata at dami ko'y pinipigil sa loob umiiyak dahil ikaw at ako ay iwan. Ang hirap magpapanggap mo ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang
Alright!
Alright, palakpakan niyo naman si Jerry.
There you have it.
Ano, at
Galing
the,
naman. Gusto ba isa ba?
at the age of 10,
Yes.
na siyang, mas mag-i-improve ka pa habang bata ka pa.
Yes. Gusto niyo ba type pa?
Isa ka ba? Isa ka ba? Alright, another song by Lady Gaga.
Arizona's holding in your eyes. You look at me and they don't wanna catch on fire. It's funny to go slow, like California gold. You found the light in me that I could find. So when I'm all woke up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, maybe it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Love is in the night, always trying to run. We don't know how to run, but then we try. But all know is love, you wanna go. That might mean you will never die. When I'm all so gone and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, maybe it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I know what the feeling is, a memory. So when I'm all grown up and I can't find a word, every time we say goodbye, maybe it hurts. When the sun goes down and won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Well, yeah, just look at me in the whole of ways. I'll always remember us this way.
Alright! There you have it, guys. Thank you so much, Terrain.
Yes, kaya maraming salamat for singing that song. Dami naman yun. Yan, meron ng pambato
Next.
ang family nila, di ba?
Yes.
Ayan, so this time, tawagin natin ang ating next drummer. Ano po yung pangalan ng pangkakantahin natin dyan?